Xolise guys, thokozani Zindlela, thokozani zalukazi, thokozani bantu abahloniphekile. Ngisakhuluma noMamlambo Sombusiso Mnandi ugawule esizweni lusha ukuhlonishwa. Ngixolise guys ngikhuluma kabi nge-Eureka nango-principal wase-Eureka. It's just that I was so disappointed in a way ukuthi bazongithathela ingane just like that. Okay, ngiyaxolisa guys kakhulu. Ngicela ukuthi find it in your heart ukuthi ningixolele. Ngicela nje abaphethe lawo mavidiyo bawa-delete because I was seeing it out of disappointment and what I've been through ukuthi ngizokhulisa umntwana for 16 years. UDaisy nge-18 zakaJune bekenza 16, so in the 16 years of marriage e-DRC, so ngizokhulisa umntwana just like that. Then sengigadwe yi-state, I mean sengigadwe ama-investigators, amaphoyisa, sengigadwe ama-social worker, right? Yeah, so I was having that pain. For what? I don't know. They just take, even you are rich, they just take just because a barcode and just because so uzophumelela. Angazi ukuthi what could be the reason. Ngiye court manje mele ngiyokhuluma, like to vow and make an oath ukuthi vele ngiyamvumela uDaisy ukuthi ahlale nomama omusha orish onemali ondlula mina ukuthi anakekele ingane yami, which is so hurtful. At the moment I'm trying to accept that, bathi-ke bacela ukuthi futhi ngibaphe nokuphila. Ngithi no, time to time, regularly nizoza nizombona ukuphila. Into engangisiza ngayo impahla zokugqoka nokudla, angisazi ukuthi ngithini kubo, and understand, and uphila, you've got plenty of clothes, uyadla uphila, not ukuthi uyalamba. Just nje inhliziyo yami ukuthi ibuhlungu ngoba uphila akakwazi ukuzigeza, akakwazi ukuthi mama kubuhlungu kuphi, understand. So angazi ukuthi what's the reason behind. Mangizwa istory abomakhelwane mabakhuluma, mina I'm negligent, mina nginjani, angazi ukuthi ngizoba free nini la emhlabeni, because it seems like whatever I'm doing I supposed not to be doing. Ngiyazama ukuziqoqa guys ukuthi ngibe ile ntombazane engifuna ukuba yiyo, ngingayenzi amaphutha, ngingenzi ububi, but ububi buthi ukuphi ngaleso sikhathi leso. So please guys, stop judging me for who I am. Ayikho into wrong engiyenzile emhlabeni kaJehova. uNkulunkulu kuphela uzongijaja, and I'm living my life, I'm minding my own business, ngihlalela kwami ney'ngane zami, but kahle kahle kusho ukuthi nifuna ukungibona vele ngingenandawo yokuhlala, ngiluze nale ndawo ise-98 Street, which it will never happen. Yes, mina vele ngishadile eDRC. I'm a sis in DRC, and my husband left me that house, and it's not only that house. I've got 15 houses in my name. My husband was the cultism of Illuminati, which is a brotherhood, and he was a respected man in the whole wide world. USerge was a DRC, bekadlala futhi kung fu karate, but he was a well-known celebrity in South Africa, umhlaba wonke from DRC, Mr. Hammerman oqede abantu eSouth Africa. And it happened in a way whereby bathi singcwabe stage, because he have to hide his identity because of who he is. Has a Illuminati gang and a brotherhood, and okay, I'm not gonna talk further, but please guys understand me. I'm not a bad person. I'm respecting the wishes of my husband to where I'm respecting my husband in a way that he was owning whatever he's owning, and there's nothing I could do about it. Mina ngiphaphame nje, sengifaka ubuhlalo, sengugogo, sengi-accept ubizo lami. That's whereby ngibona ukuthi okay, indoda yami umuntu onje, Mr. Hammerman oqeda abantu eSouth Africa. There's nothing I'm gonna do about it, because amaphoyisa awasebenzi nge-spirituality. So ukuze mina ngibe spirituality, ukuze ngibe that kind of a person, yeah, understand ukuthi amaphoyisa kumele afake umthetho owe-spirituality ukuze ngizosi-understand, because things of the spirit, they don't discuss, they are not discussed. And umfana wami uJandre ubengitlinela igceke naye bathi uyambona live on television. So I'm keep on losing and losing and losing and losing and losing. Ingane yami manje secrash. I've been blamed ukuthi why ngibeke ingane ecrash. Iyitori. Please ngicela ukuthi ningiyeke phansi because I'm minding my own business. And the more ngisolokhu ningihleba, the more nizandisela iy'nhlupheko, and the more ngisolokhu nikhuluma ngami is the more nizandisela iy'nhlupheko, the more I rise up. So ngicela please angikoleti muntu mina, ngiyaphelile impilo yami, ngicela nihlukane nami please. Enough is enough. And uMark, the way ngihlele naye ngakhona, njengoba uMark kumele ukuthi ahambe ayonquma umlenze, asike umlenze wakhe, aphile impilo yakhe, it's got nothing to do with the world. Noma ngabe nithi nizongigandanga ngamatshe for ukuthi mina ngumthakathi indoda yami ifile, nginistopile okokuqala ukuthi ningise emngcwabeni wendoda yami because nganitshela ukuthi indoda yami ayifanga. But still nisangigubhuluza in the extent whereby senifuna ukuthi nize niphuzwe amagazi ukuze nibone ukuthi ngithi hlukanani nami. So please ngiyanicela, angifuni ukuthi ningenze umuntu omubi ngeyena umuntu omubi because lokhu enikufunayo, le y'nhlupheko enisolokhu ningithwesa zona zizomila kini. Hlukanani nami. Thokozani emakhosini, nisakhuluma noMamlambo uSombuso Somnandi, Gawule Sizweni, umshaba umhlonishwa, ndithi Camagu nda awe abshani. Thokozani emakhosini, thokozani ngiyacamakusha Camagu.